Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to reset AEG Favorit Dishwasher. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your dishwasher here and you're wondering how to exactly reset it, well, there is something that you could try doing here. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your dishwasher is turned off or powered down, or in this case you want to use the power button here to turn it off. Now also make sure it's completely powered down before doing so, because what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and unplug it. Now if you don't have access to the actual plug for it, or if it's hardwired here, you want to go ahead and basically turn off the circuit breaker for it that supplies power to your dishwasher. So just basically remove any power connection to it. Now, from then on, you just want to leave your dishwasher here unplugged or with no power for about 5 to 10 minutes if you can, maybe more, like even an hour if you can. And this actually allows the control system to reset completely because you're draining the power from it. Now, you want to plug the dishwasher back in or switch the circuit breaker here to the on position again, and you want to turn the dishwasher back on and run a short test cycle here just to ensure everything is now working properly. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.